Holy moly. You could buy a car. There's only one left though. I'm not having a child. I turned 18. I'm not a mother. Okay, today we have a different, interesting type stream. So in the Discord, I asked you guys to send Amazon links, and we have a whole $100 to spend on Amazon. But here's the catch, right? Here's the catch. I'm not choosing what to buy. That's you guys. You guys are choosing what you want me to buy. There's a bunch of links. There's tons of links. And you can make it anything that is, you know, within the TOS like guidelines and like that, you know, would actually be okay to buy. It could be funny and like meme-like, but don't make it like super like inappropriate. That's all I ask. But we're gonna go through each and every one, and I'm gonna ask you guys in a poll if we should buy it or not. Oh, dude, that's nice. It's an oil diffuser? Interesting. You can put 1, you can put 2. If you feel like I should spend $15.29 on this, leave it in chat. Leave it in chat. 2? You guys just don't want me to buy an oil diffuser? Okay. I guess I'll pass. I guess I'll pass on the oil diffuser. Feels bad. Oh, it's a bracelet. 1 is cop, 2 is drop. Go. I will buy every single thing that you guys tell me to buy. So that's how this works today. That is how this works today. Yo! Dark Kylo Ren vinyl sticker. Wait, what? So I can get it. What color is it? Is it just white? That's so cool. For my PC case? Dude, that's such a good idea. Okay. Okay. Go. Start the poll. Go. It's a Kylo Ren vinyl sticker that I could probably put on my PC case. That's a genius idea. Okay, so the majority is yes. What is this? Wait. Copper drop. Oh.
I have 60, so they'll keep coming, Bone Zone.
Oh, very sweet, Norbert. And every 1-bit dude is a text-to-speech, so do it to your heart's content. Let me make this just a bit smaller. Holy moly. You can only vote once, so make sure you do the correct number first. Oh my goodness me. How would the tissue box even fit? Oh, like that. This is very cool, though. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Hang on. Wait. What? Splenda creamer. Ooh, French vanilla. Yeah, this probably tastes good, but I don't think I want creamer sent to me in the mail. You feel me? I don't know. I don't know about you, but creamer sent in the mail probably doesn't really sound like a good idea. Alright, we got a minute. 7 say no, 3 say yes, so feels bad. Oh my god. This is what I wanted to be for Halloween. Wacky inflatable tube man. Cop or drop, my friends. Look at this thing. Absolute beast. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody liked that one. Very cool. The poll is closed. I would give you guys a poll for this, but holy moly. You could buy a car. There's only one left, though. No, I'm just kidding. Bob Ross bobblehead? Oh my gosh. 1 for yes, 2 for no. Ready, set, go. What do you guys think? I feel like this will look pretty good on my desk. I don't know. Maybe I could paint with this? I feel like that's a yes. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look how amazing this is. Their feet! Alright, we won't cop the toe slippers. Feels bad. Feels extra bad. I've never played this game before. What do you... Is this Marbles, but like desktop version? Is this like Marbles on stream, but in real life? What is this? I feel like it's a steady cop. Yeah, it's a steady cop. Alright. I'll see if it's in America. Shrek. Should we buy a Shrek poster that is absolutely ginormous for the solid price of $12.99? You guys are so weird. You guys want me to buy this? I guess it's a cop, dude. It's automatically a cop. What the heck? Okay, fine. Fine. Terry loves yogurt. Like, what? Oh, why is this the best thing I've ever seen? Okay, go. Start poll. Let's get it. Thank you, Mommy Yogurt, for the 16 bits. Very sweet. 1 for yes, 2 for no to cop the Terry loves yogurt cap. Are you serious? Bruh, I need this. Please, I need this. Please. You gotta wear that every stream. Dude, I can't wait to cop this on, like, I can't wait to wear this on stream. This is gonna be the best thing to ever exist. All right, poll's starting up right now. You know, you already know. If you know, you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you if you know, you know. Oh God, beware of porcupine. There's only one. Okay, I need this. I need this. I don't think you guys understand how much I need this. I need this. Like, I need this on my wall. How big is it? 8 by 12? I can take that. I can take that. That's fine. That is perfectly okay. I will beware of all the porcupines. I need this. I don't think you guys understand how much I need this. I need this, please. So I need to cop this. That's a cop. That is a cop. Wow. Okay, okay, next on the list. Why would I need this? Why would I ever need this? Why would I ever need this? I'm not having a child. I turned 18. I'm not a mother. Wait, I'm sorry. I may be 18 now. And I've never been in a relationship in my life, so you guys need to buy me a boyfriend. Grow a boyfriend. I need this. Please. 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 Please, please, please. 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 I need this. Please, I'm lonely. Help me. He grows from 6 to 12 inches. That's what she said. Okay, let's keep... Okay. He isn't 6 feet tall, no, but he's 6 inches. I mean, he's 12 inches tall. He's a whole foot. Guys, please. I don't want to be lonely. So it'd be just as tall as Greek. Sadly, yes. Sadly, yes. Okay. It's a cop. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Very kind. That is a cop and a half.